3 minutes of work and 1 minute of rest in between each. In 3 minutes, we're going to perform an AMRAP. We have 2 devil's presses, followed by 4 renegade rows, and then followed by 12 double unders. If you do not have a jump rope at home, you can perform lateral jumps over your dumbbells. So again, that set is an AMRAP. You'll go as many rounds as you can in 3 minutes. You will rest for 1 minute, and we're gonna hit that 5 times. All right, you guys, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you do.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to take you through the warm-up. To start it off, we have 40 mountain climbers, followed by a lizard lunge to open up those hips a little. Then we'll go back to another set of 40 mountain climbers. Then we'll stand it up, stretch out those hammies, get some squat and folds. From there, we'll get our last set of 40 mountain climbers, and our last stretch will be a cat stretch to open up that upper back. All right, you guys, from here, we're gonna do 3 rounds of a series of movements. We got 12 reps of each. We're starting with lateral lunges, followed by deadlifts. Then we're gonna do some sprawls to get the heart rate going. And our last movement will be strict press. All right, you guys, after we get 3 rounds of those movements, we're gonna do a Tabata, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're starting with an ab rollout just to get that core activated. Then our second movement will be plank pull-throughs. So you can use a dumbbell for that, kettlebell, whatever works. We're gonna get 4 rounds of that Tabata. All right, you guys, get after it.